There's definitely a lot of pressure when it comes to being a potato grower. You need to make sure that you have a crop coming out of the ground. And it can definitely set you back if you pull out a really bad crop. So there's definitely a lot of pressure there to make sure that you're staying up to date with your spraying and that you're scouting and that any disease that you have in your fields, you're catching it early. You want to do the best you can to make sure that you pull out a good quality potato crop because your life depends on it pretty much.